So, this basketball,
Soccer ball?
this soccer ball, it went everywhere. Now, we're gonna see where it is. Because it's probably everywhere. Oh boy, here's some of it. Right over here. Oh wait, here's one of the squares. And here's a lot more of the squares. I said, I knew it. That piece is all cracked. I knew that was gonna fly apart. Here's another square. Don't tell me we're gonna have to pick up every single one of these squares. Wait, are they in the tree too? Wait, they're in this tree! Why does everything fly in the tree? There's like a bunch of them. Here's the rubber. Oh, that's hot. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to pick up almost like every single one of these squares. Oh, drop that. Here's some more rubber.
Hexagons?
Yeah, these little hexagons.
Pentagons? Hexagons?
Yeah. Found a lot of it. Oh, here's a piece. Oh. There, got it. Oh, I dropped a piece. There's a lot of it. There's probably... Wait! Did it split our log?
Yeah.
It split our log. That's good firewood. It split it. Here, drop that. Literally, it split the whole thing in half. That's supposed to go like right there or something. Oh, there's another piece. There's 3 pieces. That soccer ball blew up our stump. One's all the way down here, guys. Oh. Right here, there's a little hexagon. That means it could be all the way over here. Could be anywhere. It's probably everywhere. I don't know where. There's probably a lot more to find.